Good evening friends, my name is Vikas Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about atomic number and mass number. Atomic number. Atomic number of atom. Atomic number is a number of, it means total number of protons present inside the nucleus of atom or atom. Okay, atomic number is denoted by Z, or Z is equal to total number of protons. Okay, is equal to atomic number. So finally, atomic number is total number of protons present inside the atom or center of atom or nucleus of atom. Now the next topic is mass number or atomic mass number. Here mass number is a number of sum of total number of mass particles. It means total number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus of atom or inside the atom. Now mass number is denoted by capital A. A is equal to N plus P. It means number of neutrons plus number of protons. Here A is mass number of atom, N is number of neutrons, P is number of protons. Now you can take a screenshot. After that we will discuss about how we can write atomic number and mass number around atom. Suppose here let X is symbol of element. Here atomic number we can write, and here mass number we can write. So finally we can write in this way. X is symbol, here Z is atomic number, Z is equal to P, here A is mass number. Okay, you can take a screenshot. Now we will discuss about how we can find total number of electrons, protons and neutrons in atom, molecules or ions. Okay. So now heading is change number of electrons, protons, neutrons in elements. Okay, elements are denoted by their symbols. As for example, hydrogen is symbol, here 1 and here 1. Here this is atomic number of hydrogen. It means this is Z is equal to P. Okay, now A is mass number means A is equal to N plus P. Now we can find number of electrons, number of protons, number of neutrons, atomic number, mass number of hydrogen. Here atomic number is 1. mass number is 1. Electron is, atoms are electrically neutral. Atoms are electrically neutral. So whenever atoms are neutral, if any charge is not present at atom, then atomic number is equal to Z is equal to P is equal to E. Okay, because atoms are electrically neutral. It means total number of positive charge inside the atom is equal to total number of negative charge. It means total number of protons is equal to total number of electrons inside the atom. So here in this case, atomic number is 1. So electron is 1, proton is 1, and neutrons. Neutrons means A is equal to N plus P. So N is equal to A minus P. Now according to this formula, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So in case of protium, hydrogen, electron is equal to 1, proton is equal to 1, neutron is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, atomic number is 1, and mass number is also 1. Now again we will discuss about electron, protons, neutrons in some other atoms such as helium, atomic number 2, atomic mass 4. Here this is the formula. Atomic number, it is equal to Z is equal to P. In case of neutral atom, P is equal to E. Here A is equal to N plus P. It means mass number. Okay. Now we can solve easily this question. And here electron, proton, neutron, atomic number and mass number is, here electron is 2, proton is 2, neutron is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, atomic number is 2, and again mass number is 4. This is the correct answer. Okay, because this is atomic number, this is Z, this is P, this is number of electrons. Okay, so with the help of this formula we can solve any questions on the basis of number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay, in atoms, molecules or ions. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss about some questions of NEET. Thank you.